Okay, Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. So now we're going to learn about the standard measurement. So we have learned about the non-standard measurement where we use hand, we use our body parts, we use clips, paper clips or matches. Jadi kita selalu belajar yang tidak ada standard kan ataupun tidak ada piawai. Kita boleh guna tangan, kaki, kita boleh guna klip kertas ataupun straw. Jadi sekarang ni kita tengok yang ada piawai ataupun standard. Okay, standard measurement where you use items yang ada nombor. Okay, kamu akan guna benda ataupun peralatan yang ada nombor. Apa-apa yang ada nombor itu adalah standard. Whenever that have numbers or measurement, then that is considered as the standard measurement. Okay, so for example, the standard measurement tools and standard units. Okay, to measure length accurately, we use standard tools such as ruler and measuring tape. Jadi tadi kan kita ada belajar guna tangan, guna kaki. So benda tu hanya anggaran, like 5 kaki ataupun 5 tangan gitu. Okay, jadi benda tu tidak accurate, benda tu tidak 100% kita pasti betulkah kita sukat benda tu. So to measure length accurately supaya kita tahu yang sukatan kita ni memang tepat, okay, so we use standard tools. So kita gunakan benda yang standard macam ni yang ada piawai. Okay, for example, rulers and measuring tape. Kalau you look at here, beza standard dengan non-standard is ni, we have numbers. Kita ada nombor 1, 2 cm, 3 cm, 4 cm, 5 cm. Okay, and here also we have 1 cm, 2 cm, 3 cm. So apa yang ada nombor? Standard. Apa yang tidak nombor? Non-standard. Okay, so like your hand does not have any numbers. Your legs does not have any numbers. Or the paper clips does not have any numbers. Or the straw does not have any numbers. So dia adalah non-standard. Anything with numbers adalah standard. Okay, so because we have standards, we have numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We must also have unit. Okay, kita juga kena ada unit. Kita sudah tahu dia ada nombor 1, 2, 3, 4. Tapi 1, 2, 3, 4 apa? cm. 1, 2, 3, 4 apa? Kilometer. 1, 2, 3, 4 dalam apa? Meter. Okay, so you have to have unit. When you have numbers, kamu kena ada unit. Okay, for example, like 1 cm. cm to unit. Or 1 kilometer. Kilometer to unit. Or 1 meter. Meter to unit. Okay, so for example, if cikgu mau ukur, okay, I want to measure the length of my nails. Contoh. So I can say, okay, my nails is, contohnya dekat sini. Okay, lurus ni. Maybe 5 millimeter. Okay, maybe 5 mm long. So, kamu kena ada unit. Contohnya orang tanya, berapa panjang jari kamu? Jari kamu macam 5. So, 5 apa? Kan? Mesti ada unit. So, you must have like 5 cm or 5 mm. So, you must have unit. Contoh lagi, for you to measure pencil. So, for example, if people ask you, so how long is this pencil? Okay, so how long is this pencil? Ataupun apa dia punya length? Okay, what is the length? So you must say cakap, this is 4. For what? Okay, so 4 centimeter. Okay, you cannot just say, this is 6. So there's 6. And then orang pun tu tanya 6. 6 apa? Okay, so 6 centimeter. Mesti ada unit. So they must have the standard units in metric system. Mesti ada unit. Okay, so for example, again, if you want to measure, contohnya pipe. Okay, this is like a pipe, for example. Okay, so people will ask you, what's the length? Okay, what is the length ataupun berapalah panjang benda ni? So you can say maybe 10. So orang pun tanya 10 apa? Okay, so you must have ni unit, standard unit. So you can say 10 meters. Okay, ataupun m. Okay, so m meters M. So centimeters adalah C dengan M. Okay. Millimeters is M dengan M. Okay. So tu nama dia mm, cm and also m. Okay. So for example, if people ask you how is the length of this rod? What is the length of this rod? So you can say 20. And it will be like 20 apa? Jadi, so kamu boleh cakap lah 20 okay, kilometer. So 20 kilometer K sini, M is M. So you can say 20 kilometer. So everything, asalkan ada nombor, whenever there is number, you must always have unit. Okay, you must always have unit. Okay, so for example, if you can find these two in the labs. Okay, ni adalah you boleh jumpa dekat makmal in the lab. So anything with numbers, they must always have unit. So for example, I have here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 maybe. Okay, so for example, we have here 250. So kamu pun tanya 250 apa? So for measuring cylinder in the lab, we using ml. Okay, ml ataupun milliliter. They must always have unit. Whenever ada nombor, kena ada unit. Macam measuring technique. Contohnya 12, 13, 14, 15. So you tulislah 15. People will wonder 15. 15 apa? So you must always have unit. Contohnya centimeter. Okay, 15 centimeter. So ni adalah unit dia. Okay, so for example ni contohnya. You punya weighing scale. Contohnya when you help your mom in the kitchen to cook, when you help your mom to make cake. Okay, so sometimes your mom use this, or maybe kalau kamu pergi pasar and then pasar ada ikan kan, so dia timbang dekat sini. Okay, so nanti dia akan tulis here like 1 kilo, 2 kilo, 3 kilo, 4 kilo, 5 kilo. Okay, so you can write here 2. And people will wonder 2 apa? So 2 kilogram. Okay, so anything yang ada nombor must always have unit. Okay, so this is the last slide. Okay, so how do you change, for example, kalau ada soalan, okay? Example, if there is question in the subjective section, okay, dalam soalan subjektif, for example, they ask you, okay, so 1 kilometer. So 1 kilometer is how many meter, for example? Okay, for example, people asking you, I have this 1 kilometer. But I don't want to use kilometer. I want to use meter, for example. So how do I get this? Okay. So for you to get 1 kilometer, you only have to multiply by 1000. Kamu cuma perlu darab 1000 sahaja. So kalau dia minta 1 kilometer, so 1 darab 1000, berapa 1 darab 1000? So dapatlah 1000 meter. Macam tu. Okay. So for example, if someone already have this 1000 meter, contoh kan 1000 meter. Okay, maybe we just use 1 meter. 1 meter. And then orang pun tanya, okay, I have 1 meter. How many in cm? Contohnya. So you only have to multiply by 100. Darab 100. So 100 darab 1 berapa? 100 kan? So dapatlah 100 cm. So 1 meter equivalent to 100 cm. So kadang-kadang dalam soalan objektif, they will ask you, what if I have centimeter? Contohnya 1 centimeter. So how many millimeter will I have? So benda ni you have to remember. Okay, kamu kena hafal. Because you're not only using it for answering nanti masa UPSR, okay, but also even though you are just primary 4, tapi you will use it in the big exam, okay, important exam such as UPSR, but also you're gonna use it when you're in the form, okay, masa kamu in secondary school, masa kamu tingkatan pun kamu guna, so you always have to remember benda ni, okay. So for example, Kalau dalam soalan subjektif dia tanya, okay, if I have 1 cm, berapa lah dalam millimeter? So 1 cm for you to get in millimeter. Okay, bagaimana? So you only have to multiply ataupun darab dengan 10. So 1 darab dengan 10 berapa? So salah. So dapatlah 10. So 10 apa? 10 millimeter. Okay. So this is how you convert. How you change. Macam mana kau ubah daripada kilometer pergi meter, daripada meter pergi sentimeter, daripada sentimeter pergi millimeter. Jadi yang ni semua adalah darab dan ni semua adalah bahagi. Contohnya macam si meter ni, meter to kilometer, you only have to divide by 1000. Okay, for example, you have like maybe 1000 meter. So orang tu pun tanya, okay, so Ali have walked 1000 meter. So how many kilometer does he have travel? Okay, so Ali ni sudah berjalan sebanyak 1000 meter. Berapa kilometer dia sudah jalan? Jadi you only have to divide by 1000. Okay, so 1000 bahagi dengan 1000 berapa? 1000 bahagi dengan 1000. Okay, you only have to buang kosong ni. Then you're going to get 1. So, dapatlah 1 kilometer. So, this is your answer. Okay, so this is the conversion. Kamu kena hafal. Kalau dia tidak masuk dalam subjektif, then dia akan masuk dalam objektif. Okay, 1 mark. Kalau dia masuk dalam subjektif, then it's going to be like 2 or 3 marks. Okay, so if you have any question, you can always ask me. Okay, if not, then we're gonna meet in the next video. Then I'm gonna give you exercise for today.